Hey everybody, today I'm going to be flying a EasyJet plane, Airbus A320. It's an EasyJet from Winnipeg International Airport to Grand Forks International Airport. Let's get started with our cockpit view here. So let's power up our engines all the way. Oh, parking brake is disengaged. Looking back up, let's get ready to take off here, everybody. As we speed up to our takeoff speed, let's just get ready. Oh, master caution. Don't know what that is. Won't question it. Yeah, it's probably something. Don't know. Don't care. But it's fine. Alright. Once we reach the speed of 130 knots, let's say, I will start pulling up. Now, easy. Alright. Let's start getting up. That's a really weird takeoff. Okay, landing gear is up. Now you may be wondering why I'm choosing an EasyJet aircraft. Well, EasyJet's a great airline.
3, 2, 1, go!
No, not really. I'm kidding. But it was just a livery that I chose because I didn't know what to pick. But it's pretty. You can see this is Winnipeg. Goodbye, Winnipeg. Okay, I give up. What is that saying? It's red. That's a warning. I don't like warnings. Okay, wait. Flaps. 0 degrees. Okay. Let's start to turn a bit towards Grand Forks. Shoot, what's happening here? Alright, let's level ourselves out. Now, I guess we're kind of at a cruising altitude for a little while. For us being in here, in the meantime, let's get it up here to 10,000 feet. Oh. But yeah, alright, then, once we have reached our cruising altitude, we will be cruising there, 10,000 feet. Alright, so we have reached our cruising altitude, 14,000 feet. I was supposed to go 10, but 14,000 is more accurate, I guess, kind of, I don't know. So right now, cruising at 15,000 feet. Okay, I keep ascending. I want to stay steady for once. What is the steadiness? Oh, I'm that high up. Okay. Wait, what is my altitude? How am I still going up altitude? For me, this looks like I'm descending. Okay, yeah, this is a steady altitude. What? Okay, wait, now I'm starting to head down. Yeah, okay, so that means down. Okay, I feel like it's, what does it sound? It's loud in here. Oh, I'm probably going way too fast. Jeez, am I moving fast? Oh my god, what is that sound? Jeez. Okay, what am I hearing? It's like the fans are on. Oh, I was moving a little bit too fast. Okay, for some reason, yeah, I got like really loud there. Alright, let's level ourselves out here, so it should look like we are heading straight down for the ground. Okay, we're already at 18,000 feet. That's a little quick, right? as we make our way to the landing strip, I'm gonna have a. If you were a pilot, you could have a quick snack using the cockpit tray table that comes out, so you can place your drinks, pencil if you're gonna do paperwork, and you can eat here. That is just a little fact that I learned earlier today, or no, a couple days ago. But it's pretty fun to play with. And then I don't know how to close it. Oh shoot. Oh, thank God, we did it. No. There we go. Whee! Yeehaw, let's go. Alright. As we start to come in for our landing. We are slowing down our remotes. Oh, master caution, be quiet. I don't know what you want. Or master warning, I don't know. Whatever, it's just a warning. Doesn't really matter. Alright. I see the runway. It is ahead of us. I'm going a little bit slow, so I better speed up here. And we will be landing right away. Okay, runway is in sight. I am about to land here. So let's get ready. Oh my gosh. This might be a pretty fast landing. I am trying to slow down. Here it's starting to slow down here. Airspeed 152. Airspeed too low. Oh shoot, I don't want to stall right now, but I'm landing, so sorry. Oh my gosh, I get so many warnings like this. Alright, 1,000 feet from ground. Okay. Start. Let me sit down in my seat correctly here. Let's get ready to land this baby. Okay, yeah, we're starting to slow down. Flaps are down. Let's get ready to land it. Now, first things first, I'm just going to tell you this before I land. You got to accept like the terms and conditions kind of deal here. I suck at landing. So right now, as you can see, I'm a teensy bit high right now. Just kidding, I'm probably too high. And I'm going 151 knots, a little bit too much, a little bit too fast. I'm not exactly. Oh my gosh! Look, now it's telling me to slow down so much. Well, I'm just gonna. This is gonna be a low landing, but whatever. I'll just connect. It's too slow. Oh yeah, I am going too slow. Sorry. Okay, I'm sorry, game. Jeez, I'm slowing down.
Make straight in
Well, I mean, I'm speeding up, not slowing down. I don't want to do that.
300.
Okay, here we go. Oh my god, as you can see at the moment, I cannot.
200.
Oh,
Clear
shit.
to land runway 17 right, easy 320.
100.
Here we go, hardest landing that you'll ever see. This is kind of the truth
50,
why I chose EasyJet
40,
for the landing here.
30. 20. 10. 5.
Butter, everybody! Woohoo! I can butter that landing. Like, totally. What is wrong with my rudders? My rudders aren't working. I probably broke them.
Goodbye.
Butter. Why am I so bad at this? Well, that's pretty much how to, I don't know why I haven't called the video how to nicely land an EasyJet edition, because that was absolutely horrible. Well, then that's all I'll have for today, and I will see you next time, guys.